The switch both turns your tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The JR3000V was one of Makita's very most popular recip saws. They made many changes to it over the years. Because of this, when you replace one part, it may be necessary to replace several others around it. If you go to Makita's website and search for the model JR3000V, you'll find a parts breakdown. At the bottom of the breakdown, there's a complete list of all the service bulletins. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Now I can begin installing the new switch. You'll notice that the location for the wires is slightly different on the new switch from the old. However, the wires go in the same locations, and I'll explain that as we go. You'll notice each of the mounting locations on the old switch is labeled. I'll start with the motor wires. This location is M1. I'll use a pick to release the wire, and I'll transfer it to the new switch. And again, I'll attach it to the M1 location. Now motor wire M2. And next, the wires from the cord. I'll place the switch back into the housing and make sure the wires are tucked safely out of the way. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new switch in your power tool.